वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to the final episode of season 3 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I'm Harpreet Kaur, your host. My dear friends, it feels a little emotional to say this, but today we have reached the end of another beautiful journey together. Throughout this season, we have walked through the life and teachings of Guru Amar Das Ji. From the years of humble seva at the feet of Guru Angad Dev Ji to Goindwal Sahib, the construction of Baudi, Guru Ka Langar, Anand Sahib, the many societal reforms Guru Sahib brought, and finally, the passing of Guruship to Guru Ram Das Ji. And through all these Sakhis, perhaps one message appeared again and again for all of us that true greatness begins with humility. Guru Amar Das Ji showed us that it is never too late to begin walking towards the Guru. Guru Sahib taught us the dignity of seva, the equality of every human being, and the importance of standing against practices that divide or diminish others. Through Pelle Pangat Pache Sangat, we learnt that before the Guru there is no king and no commoner. Through Guru Sahib's own life, we learnt that seva is not about recognition, it is about surrender. And through Anand Sahib, Guru Sahib gave us a reminder that true Anand, true peace, is not about something outside world can give us. It comes when the mind finds its home in the Almighty. And not only that, my dear friends, when we look at Guru Sahib's life, we realize that Guru Amar Das Ji did not only teach through words, he transformed society through action. Do you know? He challenged practices that oppressed women, including sati and parda, encouraged widow remarriage, and gave women important responsibilities in spreading Sikhi. Through the Manji system, Guru Sahib helped organize and expand the Sikh community, while Goindwal Sahib became an important center of Sikh life. Yet, behind all these transformation was one simple foundation: seva, humility, equality, and devotion to Vaheguru. Guru Amar Das Ji showed us that spirituality is not only something we practice within ourselves, it should also transform the way we treat the people around us. My dear friends, when I look back at this season, I think about the time we spent together, learning, reflecting, sometimes becoming emotional, and discovering something new from Sikh history with every episode. And for that, I am deeply grateful to every person who listened each week, shared an episode, sent a message, or quietly made this podcast a part of their day. Thank you. Your presence has made this journey incredibly special for me. And above everything, I am grateful to Vaheguru for giving me this opportunity to learn about Guru Sahib's life and share even a small part of it with all of you. However, if throughout this season I have made any mistakes or hurt anyone in narrating our history, Gurbani, names, meanings, or events, I seek forgiveness from all of you. Friends, season 3 may be ending here, but our journey through Sikh history certainly is not. We will soon meet again with another season, another chapter, and many more Sakhis to discover together. Until then, let us all carry something from Guru Amar Das Ji with us, not only with what we know, but in how we live, with humility, seva, equality, and love for Vaheguru. Thank you to each one of you for being part of this journey. I hope this brings some peace to your hearts. Thank you.